Hi, my name is James. Welcome to King's Fine Woodworking. Hopefully you guys remember our ultimate Adirondack chair build that actually sits like a dining chair. We finished the chair about a week ago now, and the stain has dried. So today we are going to coat it with a spar urethane so that it lasts forever outdoors. If you like a film finish and you like something with a little bit of sheen or gloss to it, then this is really the way to go over an oil finish. It's really durable. It has a high UV blocker content, so the sun isn't going to fade or cause issues with the chair over time. And it really looks nice. We've chose a satin here, and some people might prefer a semi-gloss or even a gloss. I'm going to put a link to the full build down in the description below. You should check that out. It's really a pretty interesting build, and I really break it down for you step-by-step detailed how to build these chairs and how to make money with them. We have found that this is our most profitable money-making woodworking project that we've ever done. People love Adirondack chairs, and the only thing that they hesitate about sometimes is because they typically sit very, very low to the ground. And we've solved that problem with this chair. It still looks identical to any Adirondack chair, but it sits much higher and sits more like a dining chair. You can even sit up to the table with it. So it's really, really comfortable and very easy for older people or people with knee issues to get in and out of. And this is the only Adirondack chair in existence that has compound curves at the back, complete lumbar and total back support. Nothing else out there compares. Our chair design has won numerous awards, including national awards in woodworking competitions. We have complete plans and wooden templates available on the website. And don't be intimidated, those compound curves might sound tough, but I make them very easy. And if you'll notice, one thing that I like to do when I put on a spar urethane is I like to put on a little bit thick and just give it a light brush over with a foam brush. This really helps the finish to be pushed into the cracks and the open pores, especially on a product like white oak, which is a relatively porous wood, and just gives you a better seal and something that you will have last a whole lot longer for you. My wife and one of my daughters are helping me here, and this literally took us 5 minutes. You could, of course, just brush the entire thing on. There's no problem with that, but you might be here for 15 or 20 minutes instead of 5, but even that's really not bad. And this stuff is actually pretty forgiving during the application phase as well. I put it on really thick, and it might even look thick and runny, but it dries crystal clear, and it's self-leveling, so it's just a great product. This is a really special project to me because I paid my way through college while having a family at the same time doing woodworking. And the vast majority of all the income I made came from outdoor furniture, and probably 90% of that was from this Adirondack chair. So I really wanted to share this with you guys. I thought anybody who's out there who's trying to make money with woodworking, this really is like almost a secret weapon. There's so much money to be made in outdoor furniture. It's a high profit margin product. It's a lot of fun to build. Everybody seems to like these. And if you watch the full video for it, you can see I really break this thing down step by step. I show you exactly how to build it with the bare minimum of tools, and anyone can do it, even a beginner. And that's what I used: a water-based spar urethane and an HVLP sprayer. Any sprayer would work fine. Like I said, you could even brush it on if you need to. And the nice thing about the water-based is it dries fast. We put 2 coats on this thing in the span of literally 5 minutes. And that's it. I think it looks fantastic. And that's all I wanted to show you, is how to do a really nice finish on an outdoor project. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.